Detailed procedure on how to register UTME or D2025. Step 1. Generate your profile code. It's a 10-digit number. Send your NIN to 55019 to get your profile code. If you have issues in generating your profile code, send it to our WhatsApp number. We'll rectify it for you. Then the next step, which is step 2, you have to buy or vend ePIN. We can also do this for you. It's just a 16-digit number. This is a sample of ePIN, 16-digit number. We'll do that for you. And then the step 3, that is biometric and capturing. Walk down to any nearby security center to capture yourself. The Lekki headmaster will be given to you for free. And also, if you need a compiled PDF list of all the accredited centers nationwide, DM me for that. And the next step we have here is step 4. This step 4 is UTME mock reprint. For candidates writing mock, you have to reprint your examination date, time and venue a week before the exam. And the next step we have here is UTME mock examination and result. So the results will be out a week after the examination. That's for step 5. And the step 6. Step 6 is the main UTME slip reprint. This will happen a week before the exam as well, so to know your exam date, time and venue. And the last but not the least step we have here is the step 7. So the step 7 is the main UTME examination and the results. The results will be out a week after the examination. If you have any question you want to ask us, send it to us, then we'll reply immediately. Thank you so much. Bye.